Hello, hola, and vanakkam. Welcome to my channel. My name is Gauri Nat, and I'm a children's author. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make an origami paper crab. So all you need for this is an origami paper and a Sharpie or pen, pencil, crayons, anything that works for you. So I'm going to show you how to make a paper crab with very easy steps. So kids, go grab your origami paper and a pen or pencil, whatever works for you. Let's get started. So yeah, we have a special guest today with me, and this is Leela, my wonderful daughter, who's going to be my little helper today, and she's going to show you how to make the origami paper crab. Okay, are you guys ready? Step number 1 is you take a paper crab and then you flip on the white side facing up, and then you fold the corners, the two corners of the origami paper like that, and make sure you fold it really tight so we'll get a beautiful paper crab. Okay, and then you repeat the same thing on the other side like that. Beautiful. Then make sure you flatten it really well. There you go. So you will see X. Can you show it, Leela? Like that. Okay? Okay, now let's go to step number 3. Step number 3. Okay, now we have to pinch the middle part of the paper. You bring that together like that. This is the trickiest part of making the paper crab, and other steps are going to be really easy. As you can see, let me show it to them, Leela, 1 second, okay? So you just have to pinch the center portion of the paper together like this, okay? Like this. So you will have like 2 layers of a triangle, right, Leela?
Yes.
All right, let's go to step number 4. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So step number 4 is you fold the very top of the paper, like the peak of the mountain. Just make a small fold there. So you will see like that. And then the next step is to fold the top layer. So as you can see, you have like 2 layers of paper. So you have to fold the top layer on one side. Go ahead, Leela. Like that. Beautiful. And then you repeat the same thing on the other side. Awesome. Good job, Leela. So you can see like that. Okay. And the next step is you flip the paper and then you turn around. The final step, we are almost there to make our beautiful origami paper crab. Okay, Leela, let's do it. The final step is to hold the paper and then fold it from inside as she's doing, and repeat the same thing on the other side. You have to fold it from inside like that. Okay, and ta-da, you have your paper crab. Can you show it to them? There you go. It's just yeah, like this. Here you go. Here you go. And then we can decorate your paper crab. Leela, you want to decorate the paper crab? Let's see what she's up to. She's going to make, oh yeah, beautiful eyes and smiley face. Yay! Good job, Leela. That's awesome. Okay, so here are the other paper crabs that we made. Leela, you want to bring it closer? So yeah, you can see different colors, and please try it at home. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can watch more videos of me reading and activities like this. And if you would like to purchase a copy of my book, please check it out on Amazon and Barnes & Noble. Little Jessie's Beach Fun Trilingual book. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye-bye.